Ryan Graves here with your TIA Tech Tip of the Month for the month of March. Today we are talking about the proper use of carbide cutters when repairing a tire. First, we must remember that there are limitations to a proper tire repair. One, the repairs are limited to the crown area of the tire, which is the center of the tread, about 1 to 1.5 inches in from the tire's shoulders. Two, the repair cannot be larger than 1/4 inch or 6 mm. And number three, the maximum number of injuries allowed in a tire is determined by the manufacturer. When an object penetrates the inner liner of a tire, the cords that comprise the steel belts and body plies are damaged. As the tire flexes under the weight of the vehicle, the cord material begins to unravel, which can lead to a tread separation. The purpose of the carbide cutter is to remove the damage and stabilize the area around the injury so a rubber stem can be installed. Carbide cutters come in a number of different sizes that match the size of the repair stem. The purpose of the rubber stem is to prevent moisture from entering the injury channel, which could lead to rust and corrosion. So repair stems are a necessary part of a proper tire repair, regardless to how small the injury may be. The maximum tool speed for using a carbide cutter is 1200 RPM. Any faster than that, and you can scorch the rubber in the injury channel, leading to a reduction in adhesion of your repair stem. If you see smoke or smell burnt rubber, your tool speed is too high. When using a carbide cutter, start by cutting 3 to 5 times from the inside of the tire, then 3 to 5 times from the outside of the tire. If all of the damage in the injury is not removed, additional passes may be necessary. If you cannot remove the damage after additional passes, you may need to replace your carbide cutter. Just like every other cutting tool, the edges of carbide cutters become worn and dull over time. That's it for your tech tip for March. Tune in next month for a tech tip on commercial tires. For TIA, I'm Ryan Graves. Thanks for watching.